It has been an honor to watch Scarlett grow, and now she gets to do it with Colton by her side. Sis, you have so many positive qualities about you. You are selfless, caring, and one of the hardest workers I know. You want nothing but the best for people, even before yourself. So tonight, enjoy every single moment, forget about the world, and let your love with each other guide you through the day. Today is all about you two. Colton, you are a very, very lucky man. She will devote the same love and commitment that I have felt from her from over the years to you, and that is so special. I am so happy to say, without any doubts, that she has found someone that will put her first and take care of her like she has done for so long for everyone else.
First off, Colton, I love you. I'm so proud of you. The best decision in your life you made was to ask Scarlett to be your wife. You're loving, you're kind. You work hard, you have a hard work ethic, that's for sure, just like your dad. We love you so much. And I just want to wish you the best of everything. And Scarlett, I finally get the daughter I always wanted.
Y Colton, Scarlett, les quiero desear la mayor felicidad del mundo, que tengan un matrimonio lleno de amor, con mucha paciencia, que tengan mucha prosperidad, que tengan siempre.
I wish you all the happiness in the world.
y les deseo toda la felicidad del mundo y muchas gracias a todos.
Here we are at the day we've been waiting for a long time. It's been full of good times. We've made so many beautiful memories we will never forget. Thank you for loving me endlessly and unconditionally. When I asked God for a man that was smart, funny, and driven, He gave me you, and He was spot on.
We have had so many memories fly by, like our trip to Spain and Italy and family trips to Vegas and the desert. And I can't wait to begin our own stories and memories as husband and wife. I promise to love you and always be here for you.
So what God has joined together, let no one separate. So I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
They're the perfect match, honestly. I can't wait to see what the future holds for both of you. And let's make tonight like the most unforgettable night you guys ever could have.